Start of the ball game. Arwin! Just connect. Easy 2 points for Arwin from GTB. Still, transition. Nice pass. Arwin, put back. It's good for Arwin. 2 points.
Wala ka sa panos, dami.
AJ with the ball to Carl.
7 to 9 din ako.
Yape, pass to AJ.
7 to 9.
Pangilinan, pass to AJ. Rebound. Offensive rebound. Dembski, pass to Arwin again. Steal. Number 11, side step. Rebound by Dembski. Oy, bad pass.
2 minutes stop time. Stop time po.
Gitna. Nice pass. Put back. Nag-iinip na si Pangilinan. Our score. 4-2.
Wala din na?
Uy, kamusta? Miss shot. Pangilinan. 2-pointer. Flat. Arwin with the ball, coast to coast. Oy, lead pass.
Nag-reset.
Turnover.
Nag-reset. 8 minutes na lang.
Sige, okay na.
Nakascore dito. Wala pa.
Wala. Ay, oo na. Meron na si Arwin. Dalawang beses.
Akala ko may bago.
Nice one. Wow! Strong finish by Arwin. Carl. Pass to number 11. Yape. 2-pointer. In and out. Agawan. Carl. Pass to. Step back. Kick out. Yape, 2 points. 2 points for Yape.
Akala ko nag-request na eh.
Uy, Bon.
Power spawn.
Nice 2 points. By Jet. Jet ba yun, Jet?
Balik yung oras niyo. 12 minutes ko.
3-pointer is no good. Arwin. Coast to coast. Wow. 2 points. Grabe yun. GTV yun eh. Teha. 3-pointer. Way off. 3-pointer. Tagilid. Teha. With the ball. Dribbling the ball. AJ, setting the play. Bullet pass. Check ball. Oh.
Hustler na eh.
Ano yun? Training ka na yun.
Training talaga. Parang tamang mag-best ka lang. Pagkala lang ng sama ng
Ito si Castro, malakas talaga ito.
nung araw.
Player namin to sa stock eh. Oy, nice! It's a miss! Defensive rebound to Arwin again! Give and go! Oy! Nice pass! 2 points
Ganong coordination.
by Bon.
12-4.
Up! Last touch!
Maraming point na rin.
Kanina?
Table.
Same ball? Same ball. Oy! With 2 points by Pangilinan. mahusay si Bon mag-dribble ah.
Sana yun eh.
2-pointer. Short.
Power rebound.
AJ to Yape. Yape.
Yape, tinapon.
Floater. No good. Ay!
Masama mag-
Turnover.
Sa tapatan na simbahan.
2 points by Bon.
Hindi nakalista yan.
Di nangalista yan. Number 8. To Carl. Corner 3. No good. Arwin. Wow! Side step. Grabe naman. Long 2.
Wala ako nagsisentrum dito.
Arwin! No good. Kanya pa rin. Nice combination.
10 points. 10 points lead.
Tambak tayo. 10. Umawi, no good.
Kung ano stop time pala pag ano, nagka-shot lang.
AJ.
Kaya kailangan lagi naka-reset yung shot ko.
Libre. Extra pass. Yape, kamuwersa. Oy, bad pass. Ang galing naman nun manghingi. 2 points. Veterans move by Adrian. Adrian, the hustler. Oops. Turnover. Our score, 18-6. 12-point lead. Strong. Start. Oy, 2 points na naman. Bawi tayo, bawi. Marami pang oras. May extra 2 minutes.
Extra 2 minutes kanya, ha? Pagod na kayo, ha? Go!
AJ.
AJ, kumain.
Uy, step back. Tagilid. Oops. Out of bounds. Time remaining, 4 minutes and 10 seconds.
With unlimited shot clock.
With unlimited shot clock. Take your time.
Unlimited shot lang. Oo, oras na yun, no?
Mahirap eh. Yape, step back walk. Hindi yan eh, jumper eh. Arwin again! Grabe!
Grabe yun.
High flyer. Teha. Side step.
Number 11, Tomero.
Nice putback by Pangilinan.
Step out sa nakapas.
Oh yeah, may sapatos ka. 22-8. May pag-asa pa.
3 minutes pa yan. Pagkatalo kayo, bunutin niya lang yung saksakan.
Nice pass. Yung pala eh. Oh. AJ De La Torre.
Ganda naman ng nakaw nun. Pangkiyato.
Wala ba natin? Baka mawala. Flash film yung bola natin ha.
3 points.
3 points. Adrian, 3 points. The veterans from Balide, Montalban, Rizal. Corner. Oy, nalito. 1v1. Adrian. No good. Stop and pop yun ha, parang ano ha. AJ! 3-pointer! Nice pass!
Malayon.
In and out. Bullet pass, lead pass to Demski. The injury master. Floater by Arwin. Shout out to Michael Castro, who just came in right now
Shoutout sa'yo.
with a cutie face. Number 11, dribbling the ball. Pass to Carl. Carl, floater. No good. Bon, 2v1. 2-pointer, no good. Time remaining, 1 minute and 23 seconds. Ay, wala pa rin, Carl.
Alat pa na.
2v1, advantage! Grabe naman, Arvin. $29-10. 59 seconds. Three-point is no good. Dembski! Up foot layup, no good.
48 seconds.
Kyle. Dembski, 2 points. Good for 2 for Dembski.
30
Pass
seconds.
forward. Layup. Good. 2 points. 22 seconds. Arvin. Nice pass to Dembski. Arvin with 37 points. And step back kick. 2 points. By Teha. 2, 1.
Arayin mo.
Bunutin ulit.